Take your dealership to the next level with over 6,800 on-air interviews with dealer and industry leaders. CBT News, dealers' most trusted source for news, content, and analysis. Welcome to CBT News with Cheyenne Malone.
Good Friday to you. I'm Cheyenne Malone. Welcome back to CBT News. Let's get you started with today's top headlines.
General Motors has signed a 15-year renewable energy purchase agreement with Northstar Clean Energy to power 3 of its assembly plants with renewable electricity. The 180-megawatt project will source energy from Northstar's Newport solar project in Arkansas to support its Michigan and Missouri assembly plants. With this deal, GM aims to achieve carbon neutrality by 2040 and plans to power all of its U.S. sites with renewable electricity by 2025. Ford is giving its Lincoln Navigator a major upgrade for the 2025 model year, introducing a 48-inch front display designed to create a, quote, sanctuary, end quote, for spa lovers and gamers alike. The luxury SUV's new feature is part of the, quote, Lincoln Rejuvenate mode, which aims to adjust the seat and climate and play calming videos or sounds when parked. This upgrade is set for spring 2025 release and will start under $100,000. Retail used vehicles saw a significant increase in July, rising 27.6% from June, according to Cox Automotive's vAuto live market view data. A total of 1.6 million used vehicles were sold by franchised and independent dealers, marking a 16.5% year-over-year growth. However, the days supply dropped to 41 in July from 53 in June, reflecting market volatility due to a mid-June CDK outage that disrupted sales and inventory reporting. Despite these disruptions, the data indicates a healthy rebound in the used vehicle market. Maryland's FY25 electric vehicle supply equipment rebate program is now open, offering residents and businesses incentives to install EV chargers. The program provides rebates covering up to 50% of costs, capped at $700 for residential and $5,000 for commercial chargers, with a total award limit of $125,000 per business. Applications must be submitted within 6 months of the project's completion, and detailed instructions are available on the program's website. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with Blake Morgan, keynote speaker, customer experience futurist, and author, to discuss what businesses need to know about today's consumers.
Take your dealership to the next level with over 6,800 on-air interviews with dealer and industry leaders. CBT News, dealers' most trusted source for news, content, and analysis.
And you say, in reference in your book, that employees are customers too. What do you mean by that?
Well, over here in California, I'll give you an example. We have Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is a grocery store that other grocers have not been able to disrupt. Here is a grocery store that does so many things seemingly backwards. They don't have an app. You can't order groceries on the internet. They don't have a loyalty program. The thing that makes Trader Joe's special or unique, that has been with them since the company was started in the 1960s by Joe Collum, the founder, is they just treat their employees so beautifully. If you go to Trader Joe's, the employees are in a good mood. They're wearing Hawaiian shirts, they're dancing, they're throwing boxes to each other, they're happy. And that is not an accident. Trader Joe's has always invested heavily in employee experience, paying the workers a very fair salary, giving them medical and dental. And this is what has made Trader Joe's a multi-billion dollar grocer. That doesn't seem like much, but it's that employee experience, the idea that employees are customers.
Well, that does it for us today. But remember, it is easy to stay up to date with the most recent news and trends influencing the retail automotive industry. All you have to do is follow us. We're on TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, formerly known as Twitter. I'm Cheyenne Malone. Thanks so much for watching.
CBT News, your #1 resource for auto industry news and content.